Hey guys, this is Evie. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these red and black marble and blood rose nails. So I picked up a new e-file from Amazon, and this is from a shop called Madenia. And a lot of people were asking me about an affordable e-file, and this is definitely one. So this is how the packaging looks. Inside you have your nail drill manual, and it's just a booklet that tells you all about the e-file and the buttons and controls and everything you need to know about it. And this is the e-file base. I really do like that it has a built-in drill bit stand. Those are what those little holes are for. Foot pedal. And inside this box is the handpiece. And I really like how this handpiece feels. It's metal and it's like, it's heavy, but it's not like super heavy, but it really does feel comfortable. And I really do like the weight of it. So then you also get the handpiece stand here, and then you get some starter drill bits. Alright, so the handpiece is plugged into the side here, and on the side you have your forward and reverse button. Obviously you have where the handpiece is plugged into, and then you have your on and off switch. And on the back you have your foot pedal plug here, and then this switch is where you choose between the foot pedal and the handpiece. So I'm just going to put in the sanding band drill bit that it comes with. These are my nails that I'm going to be doing today. These have been on for 2 weeks and I am ready for a new design. So this is after all of the stones are off, and now I'm going to turn on the e-file. And once you hit that on switch, this green light comes on. And on the back, you want to make sure that it is on the H or the handset. So once you turn on the dial, it will come on. So as you heard, this e-file is very quiet. Like, I was very shocked on how quiet it is, because it's way quieter than the one that I was using previously. But yeah, I really love how smooth it works. And this sanding band and e-file did do a good job at getting off my gel polish. But I am going to switch over to my tried and true medium grit safety bit, and this just works wonders. Like, this drill works really well. So if you guys are interested in this e-file, I do have a discount code. Make sure to check the info box down below. Alright, so on to the prep. I'm going to use my cuticle pusher. And the opposite end to scrape away any dried skin from my nail plate. So I do get questions about if my nails last, because I do change my nails a lot. This set has been on for a little over 2 weeks and they are still on. There's no lifting, and yeah. So I'm going to switch out the drill bit to my cuticle clean bit, and I'm just going to work that around the cuticle areas to further get up any of that dried cuticle skin on the nail plate. And once again, I had no problem with this e-file. It just works really well. I also appreciate that it has a very low setting as well. So when you first turn it on, it's like really low, and my previous drill didn't have that. So this is after all of my nails are prepped, and these are the products that I'm going to use for this look. I'm using the Long Hair Pretty Nails clear and white acrylic, along with this moody glitter, and this black and red acrylic from Mia's Secret. I will leave links to everything that I use down below. So I'm just going to start off with my fill-in portion, and I'm just going to do that with clear acrylic. So for the ring and the middle finger, I'm just doing a really thin layer of clear because obviously I'll be going in with some more designing. Alright, so after filling in with the clear acrylic, I'm going to swing back to the ring fingernail and my marbling. I double dipped into the red and the black acrylic, and I'm just going to use that and start off around the cuticle area just to make sure that area is covered. And then I'm going in with the black and white that I double dipped as well. And just going in with the random beads of the 3 colors and just trying to make a nice marble-esque design. I'm also working with these acrylics wet because I want them to blend as best as they can. And I just felt like it needed more black in this area because I did want the black to kind of be the primary color in this marble. And the size brush I'm using is the number 8 oval Kolinsky brush from Alpha Brush. I will leave links down below. Alright, so once I have that marbling the way that I like, I'm just going to wet the nail and then go in with a really wet bead of clear, and then I'm going to press in that moody glitter into the clear and just use the tip of my brush to kind of move those pieces where I want them to be. I don't want too much glitter because I do want the marble to show through, so I'm just kind of being very sparse with the glitter. Alright, so once I like that placement, I'm just going to move on to my next nail and let that dry. So for the middle finger, I'm going in with the black acrylic, and I'm just going to apply this all over the nail. And I am working with this really wet because I'm basically just painting it over the nail. I want this layer to be very, very thin. So then taking my 3D brush, I dip into the red acrylic and then into the black, and I'm going to create the blood rose. So I want this rose to be really, really thin. So I'm just working with small beads and I'm really pressing it out as flat as I can get it. And as some of you know, my 3D roses are a work in progress, but I think I'm getting better. Once I got to the center of the rose, I wasn't quite happy with it. I wanted it to be a little bigger. So I just took red this time, and I just made some larger petals on the outside of the rose. Alright, so after that, I'm just going to swing back to the ring fingernail and encapsulate it with clear acrylic. And then I go ahead and encapsulate my middle finger as well. And I am working with a clear acrylic wetter because I want it to seep into all of the crevices of the rose. And I also want to make sure I'm not getting any air bubbles. Alright, so this is after all of the acrylic is dry, and I'm just going to go in with my shaping and filing. And as always, I like to start off with my hand file. This is a 100/180 grit nail file. So this is after the hand filing is done. Alright, so once again, I'm going in with the E-file, and I'm using the medium grit safety bit, and I'm just going to work that around the cuticle areas and just making sure those are nice and flush. And once again, no problem with the E-file whatsoever. It doesn't have the vibrating that some of the cheaper ones do. This one works really well. Alright, so this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And now I'm going in with this Madame Glam red gel polish, and this is the color Amour. And I'm just going to apply this to my pinky fingernail, my index fingernail, and my thumbnail. So after one coat of this, I just went ahead and cured this in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm going in with the Poochie Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat, and we're just going to apply this to all of the nails. And as you can see, the marble nail just comes to life. And the blood rose nail is just gorgeous. Alright, so after curing that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds and allowing my nails to cool off, I'm going in with this cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. This is my first time trying out the blood rose nail, and I must say I think it turned out great. These are colors that I have not used together, and so I just think the combination is really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. So if you guys are interested in this e-file that I used, head over to the Madenia shop on Amazon. It's very affordable, and they were also so kind enough to give my audience a coupon code, so make sure you check down below for that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you in my next one.